Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this Miss Argentina look for Halloween, for anyone that would like to be Miss Argentina for Halloween. And trigger warning for self-harm, because in the movie she does commit self-harm, so there will be me doing the makeup for that. So if that triggers you, please do not watch. But yeah, let's get on to the video. So I'm starting off with a water-activated green face paint. And side note, was I the only one that thought she was blue or like teal? Like, I had to research it before I did the makeup, obviously. And she's green. She's been green the whole time. I'm sorry, it just really messed me up. So paint your face green, do your chest if you're going to be showing your chest, and your arms as well. And if you're having troubles with your paint being streaky, it's probably your water to paint ratio. I'm having issues with that. I was adding too much water, so it was very streaky. To help fix this, I go in with a foundation brush and I kind of go over it again with the paint, and then going back over it with the beauty blender. Now I'm adding a darker green and a blue shade to contour the face. And then I'm going to go back in with a light green to kind of go over to fill in those streaky spots. So I'm adding contours where you would add it for beauty makeup if you contour your face. So this is going to be right underneath my cheekbones, going a little bit over top of it so it doesn't look like my face is sagging. So always brush up when you're doing contour on your cheeks, as well as my temples, as well as my nose underneath my chin and my jawline. Something a little different, I am going to contour my neck and my chest. Going in kind of where your clavicles are, that little dent all the way up, where that big muscle in your neck is. Contouring both sides so it just looks like I'm more sunken in and dead-like. Now I'm going in with a blue on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just blending out that contour so it just blends more seamlessly. And adding more of that teal shade I always thought she was. Now I'm going in with a purple around the eyes, kind of going in more of a circular motion around the eyes. Now I'm going in with that bright green shade just on the highlights of the face, just so it makes it a little less streaky and it adds highlights to the face. And now I'm adding a shimmering kind of blue teal shade to the highlights of the face as well. Going in with that purple in a more condensed brush so I can pack on that color more. Now with an even smaller brush, I'm going in with a black just to further deepen those outer edge of those eyes. Now with that lime shade on the center of the eye, and then I'm going to go in with that same shimmering shade from before over top of that. Now I'm just putting on eyeliner. I'm applying it in a cat eye shape. Adding mascara as well as black eyeliner in the waterline. Now I'm applying some falsies to the upper lid. Going in with a purple shade that I use on my eyes just to further deepen the contours. Now I'm taking a black face paint and I'm painting on my eyebrows. now I'm just taking a red lipstick and just applying that. Taking the same green as before and painting my arms. So now I'm taking a red face paint and applying a line on my wrist. And then I take a white face paint to outline the outside of the cut so it looks like it's underneath the skin. And then taking a black on a very thin brush and applying it on the outer edge as well as the dead center of the wound so it looks like it's deeper. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to see more from me. All my other links for other social medias will be linked down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!